In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable GDPR settings in HubSpot. Ensuring your HubSpot account is GDPR compliant is crucial, especially if you're handling data from individuals within the European Union. GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, is all about giving people more control over their personal data and simplifying the regulatory environment for businesses. Now, let's dive into the steps to enable these settings. First, you'll want to navigate to the settings area of your HubSpot account. Look for the settings icon, which appears as a gear in the top right corner of your screen. Click on this icon to open the settings menu. Once you're in the settings, you'll need to locate the privacy and consent section. This is where you can manage all aspects of data privacy and ensure that your account aligns with GDPR requirements. Now, within the privacy and consent section, you'll see an option related to your data privacy settings. There's a toggle switch here, and this is what you'll need to turn on. Simply click the switch to enable the data privacy settings. When you do this, HubSpot will show a pop-up window to confirm your action. In the pop-up, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to turn on these data privacy settings. This step is important as it ensures that you're fully aware of the changes being made in your HubSpot account. Go ahead and click Yes. Turn on data privacy settings in the pop-up to proceed. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've now enabled GDPR settings in your HubSpot account. This means that your account is now better equipped to handle personal data in a way that complies with GDPR regulations. Remember, keeping data privacy settings up to date is not just about compliance, but also about building trust with your contacts and customers. If you're managing a team, it might also be beneficial to inform your colleagues about these changes and ensure everyone is aware of the new settings. Additionally, consider reviewing your data collection practices and privacy policies to ensure they reflect the GDPR standards you've now set up in HubSpot. Thank you for watching this quick guide on enabling GDPR settings in HubSpot. If you found this helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your HubSpot account effectively. Have a great day and keep your data safe.